Are you tired of your Salesforce users being distracted by tabs they never use? Learn how to hide, show, or default tabs in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to access Profile tab settings and configure them for any user profile. Let's start with the gear icon. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings. Then, from that menu, select Open Advanced Setup to access the full configuration area. In the Quick Find box that appears, type Profile to filter the settings. Now, from the results, select Profiles to open the Profile Management page. Find the user profile you want to modify, and under the Action column, click Edit. In the Tab Settings section, for the Custom tab, choose Default On to show it by default. Next, set another tab to Default Off if you want it hidden unless users enable it. Then, for a tab you don't want visible at all, select Tab Hidden. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply the changes. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.